Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can watch Hulu in the UK, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, Hulu is a streaming service, just like Netflix. However, it is only available within the US. This is because of geo restrictions, because there has been problems with the licensing agreements, so they needed to restrict it to the US. And the way that you can watch this in the UK is with the help of a VPN. Now, what VPNs are virtual private networks. They basically just connect you to a different server anywhere around the world, and you can pick and choose where your IP is from. Pretty much it masks your IP so that your IP shows that you're in a different geographical location, and then you can do that to subvert or to go around any restrictions when it comes to geography and so on and so forth. Now, the way that you actually do this is just by subscribing to a VPN. There is a wide variety online which have free trials and free periods, and most of them are not even that expensive. They're upwards of a couple of dollars US, so you can get one for pretty cheap. It is a monthly subscription, and once you have it, you just want to turn on the VPN. You select a server from the United States, which the US has a lot of servers, so you won't have any problems with that. Select a server from the United States, then connect to the website, and as you can see here, just sign up for Hulu like you would anywhere else. And whenever you want to watch Hulu, just start up your VPN and you can use Hulu just like anybody from the US. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.